Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade from iOS 26 to iOS 18 using your PC, your MacBook, or your Windows laptop. So for this one, we're going to utilize our desktop, right? You just need to make sure you connect your phone to your CPU or your computer. Once connected, you want to go to your browser as the one I'm using right now, and basically in here, type in IPSW. So once in here, click on the first result, and you're gonna see a lot of devices. Choose the one that we're trying to downgrade. If you're using your iPad, that's perfectly fine. Before this video, we're gonna utilize iPhone. Open it up, close some ads. Now the one in here, I just wanna have a disclaimer for you guys that iOS 26 beta is only available for iPhone SE second generation and above. So that means XR and below will not really receive this update. Just a food for thought for you. Well, anyway, I'm just going to select a device here. For example, I'm going to click iPhone 15. Once I click on that one, you're going to see a lot of versions of iOS I can download. However, the one I'm using right now is iOS 18.5, and I want to really go back here because there's really a lot of bugs on iOS 26. I've been reading a lot of comments and backend that's saying that it's not really good since it's still on the beta phase. Well, once downloaded for this one, your file will go straight to your computer. Like this one right here, just look it up right there. Now, once successfully downloaded, opening up your iTunes, should be this one right here. Now, if you successfully connected your phone to your computer, it should show up here. Simply back up your data using iTunes and download the 18.5 version you have successfully downloaded on IPSW. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.